Alright, let's look at example number 8. Classify each triangle with the given side lengths as acute, right, or obtuse. Alright, so we know that we're gonna see how a squared plus b squared relates to c squared. C squared, I'll just go ahead and write that. A squared plus b squared. How does that relate to c squared? That's what we're going to use for both of these. C squared is always going to be our largest number. Okay? Alright. So remember, right? Remember, if c squared is greater than a squared plus b squared, it is obtuse. If c squared is less than a squared plus b squared, it is acute. C squared equals a squared plus b squared, it is right. That's the little formula you need to remember, okay? If c squared is greater than the other two added together, it's obtuse. If c squared is less than the other two added together, it's acute. If c squared is the same as the other two added together, it is right. And c squared is always going to be your largest number. So, 1 second, I'm going to go grab a calculator. Alright, back. Got my calculator here. So, we're going to set this up as 24 squared. How does that relate to 9 squared plus 18 squared? Alright, 24 squared is 576. How does that relate to 18 squared is 324 plus 20, plus 9 squared. I got them out of order, but it's alright. 9 squared is 81. So 324 plus 81 is 405. Alright, 576 is greater than 405. So that means this is obtuse. Alright, we'll do the same thing with the other one. 6 square root of 3, 6 times the square root of 3. If you're not sure, right, I know the square root of 3 is going to be 1 something, 1 point something something. So I know that 12 is greater than that. Alright, so if you're not sure, you can plug it in your calculator. Alright, 6 times square root of 3, it's going to be 10 something, 10.39. So I know my 12s are greater, so it's going to be 12 squared. How does 12 squared relate to, that's going to be, let's see, 12 squared plus 6 square root of 3 squared. Well, I don't even have to work that out. I don't even have to work it out. I know this. 12 squared plus anything is greater than 12 squared. Alright, so it's going to be equal that way. It's c squared is less than a squared plus b squared, so that is an acute one, right? So that's all we have to do for number 8.